If you want to know how can you send a pay request in Phonepe, today in this video, if you watch with me till the very end, you will learn exactly how can you do that. So let's watch carefully and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Phonepe and make sure that you have the app updated to the latest version, as you can see right in front of you in the screen right now. Now, once you've done updating the app, you can finally go ahead and open it. Once you open it, you should see something that looks like this. All you need to do to request a payment, tap on this request button right here, and then tap on the user that you want to request the money from, type in the amount, and then tap on requesting the bottom. So again, tap on request, tap on the user that you want to request the money from, tap the amount right there, and then tap on request at the bottom. One last time. So tap on request, the user, request, done. That is how you do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. It really means a lot to me. And don't forget also to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.